Gonna usually tell the subakan kasari. Anyone who wants fat, not me.
Special guests only.
Quraacda lagu cuni karayaa fat. Not healthy. I won't advise it. But there's people who eats it. كمان انت سلوشين ان تصنع هم الحواشس sweet potato. يلا شرشرة يلا بس إذا أمت شرمة يا وقت أصلا حامر الدم واو ما شاء الله.
This meal is not anytime soon. That's done. It's done. Some potatoes. What's it like?
خلاص قاعد احكي udgoonka
The sweet potato is bigger than the meat. Oh my god, it actually smells so good, Mom. See what I thought. So we started our meal very late because we had some amazing, generous neighbors who brought us some meat. So we decided to do one of Mom's famous meat recipes, and we're using all the produce from our home, including the spices that we threw in. I forgot to show you guys the day that Mom was like making her own organic spices from her own seeds. Yeah, but for now we gotta wait a few more hours to have lunch. If you're liking the video so far, leave us a like, share it with someone who you'd like them to see how our traditional meals can be. Although the pressure cooker does cook it really fast, so we might have some results soon. What's the second pot for? Okay, not for me. Barut again. So yeah, typically no part of livestock really goes to waste. So this we showed you guys earlier. Mom was cutting up the fats from our lovely lamb, and it later gets used for different types of things. Like, I don't even know how to explain it because I just don't eat this stuff. But
Instead of oil, you use the animal fat.
okay, using animal fat instead of oil. There you go. Simple.
It's not healthy, but some people eat it. Not me.
You heard that? But if someone's gonna eat it, we'll make it. Even though it's not healthy, but it is healthy to a degree, yeah.
Yeah, but it damages some.
It can damage some people too. I know. Okay, this is not about sobaka. Let's get back to our meal. Let's get back to our cooking our veg, chopping our veg. I love that your garden is also your kitchen, Mom.
See the oil?
Yeah, that's unbelievable. But also a delicacy. I'm shocked because it's not my thing, but so yeah, it's very much used. I think other cultures have it too. Like, what about ghee in India?
Ghee is from cow milk.
Oh, so that's not the same at all. Rice on the menu as well. It's like immigrant parent super skill. My generation go for here's your meal with some blood. Our chopping board generation. Gotta show you guys the final results of fried fats.
Sharira.
Sharira. Sharira. You can see the popcorn color. Ay. That's it. Back to our healthy meal. Healthy. Karaguchira.
Voila.
Oh my.
Still sizzling.
Yum. Ooh, dinner's ready. It's pretty much dinner time. Where's the meat?
Meat's coming. Hold on. This is the master of the meat waka.
Are we drooling in the house yet? What a masterpiece. What a masterpiece.
Not done yet. Maraq.
Time to eat.
مرقيدنا وشوكة
فرحانة.
بسم الله.
Yum. Let's get in here.
Potatoes heaven.
Bismillah. I know, that was the first thing I was going for. You guys are probably excited for the meat. I'm really excited for this potato. Oh wow. Smell.
Carrot is sweet.
Let's try the carrots. Sweet potato right here. This is the winning combination, okay? Some carrots, some onion, some sweet potato. قلب جلعسن. It's like you don't even miss the banana today. Our own watermelon. Alhamdulillah. See you guys.
Mashallah.
Yeah, mashallah, alhamdulillah. Everything. Yeah. We're gonna go have a fat nap now. Bye guys, see you in the next episode. Thanks to Hoyo Shamis for all that. Her mouth is full. Bye guys.